Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Patreon profile public so it's not hidden from the public. Anyways, we'll begin by opening up your Patreon app. Once you have it opened, you want to go to your account page, and you do that by clicking on this icon on the bottom right hand corner. You see this icon? It looks like a profile person type of page, whatever you call it. Anyways, once you're on the account page, click over here where it says settings, and then as you see, your account right now should be private. To make this account public, you want to turn this off, and you're able to tell that it's on by this toggle right now looking red. If you tap on it once, it's gonna turn gray, and that means it's off. That's how you can make your account public so it's not hidden. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos.